Ibamba likangqongqoshe amaphoyisa uProfessor Firoz Cachalia livele phambi kwekomidi lamaphoyisa ePhalamende lapho lethule khona izinhlelo zomnyango walo ngaphambi kokuba kuqala unyaka mali u-2025-2026. UCachalia ukubeke kwacaca ukuthi kumele kubekwe eqhulwini ukuqiniswa kophiko lwe-IPID oluphenya ngamacala amaphoyisa luphinde luthole ukwesekwa ngemali ukuze libhekane namacala asilele emuva.
So strengthening IPID is a priority. They have a very clear resource gap, but that resource gap, in terms of their ability to clear backlogs and conduct investigations effectively, is a priority that we have to focus on in the coming years.
UCachalia uphinde watshela ikomidi lamaphoyisa ukuthi into akayiqaphelile kulomnyango ukubambezeleka kwembiko yophenyo umithinta amalungu abo.
I also worry about the relationship between the IPID process and the process in SAPS, because you often have a situation where there are parallel investigations, including disciplinary processes, and they often have different outcomes.
UNgqongqoshe uthi zonke izinhlelo anazo ngomnyango ufuna ziqala ukusebenza ngonyaka omusha wezimali emnyangweni wamaphoyisa.